Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to change navigation bar. So if you want to use gestures instead of buttons, or the opposite way, if you are set with gestures and you want to use buttons, all you have to do is to open the settings, then mark system and updates, enter system navigation, and here smoothly by tapping you can change it. Here we've got the kind of tutorial how to use gestures. Let me go with it. Okay, so now you can start using gestures smoothly. So this is it. Obviously, whenever you want to go back to buttons from gestures, do it the same way. It's quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.